Leakage of glue treatment method. First of all, let's remove all the screws. When you're done, take off the screws on this gear. Take the gears off. When you take it off, get two one-piece screwdrivers. Pry this round cap out of it. After you pry it out, clean all the glue off this round lid. Clean the glue from this spot as well. It has to be clean. After you clean this up, get this holster out of him. Clean out the inside, too. Clean it up and put the new one on. When you're done, and then glue this spot to it. Have a look. Be careful when gluing. You can't break the glue in one round. It'll leak if the glue breaks. Be sure to glue to the edges on both sides, all the way to the edge. Put this new gasket on. Once it's on, add another one to the top. And you can't break the glue. When you're done with the glue, put this round cap on it. When you put it on, take this hammer and give it a tap. Tighten this seam. This seam. Tighten all 3 screws when you're done. Be sure to tighten it. When it's tightened, put this seal down through here. One on one axis. The seal must be pressed firmly. Then find something round and press it down. When you press it down, you'll see a slot here. This seal must be pressed into this groove. Can't leave it out there. It'll leak if it's on the outside. Make sure you press it. When you're done, put the bearings in place. Get the bearings in place. Then knock it all the way down to the bottom. After you hit the bottom, and then put this gear and the NACA spring all the way back together. That's it. When it's done, must wait 24 hours before use. Otherwise it'll leak and the glue won't dry.